Ever wondered why your knuckles make that satisfying pop when you crack them? Let's break it down. When you stretch or pull your fingers, you create space between the bones in your joints. This space causes a drop in pressure inside the joint, which pulls gases, mainly nitrogen, from the fluids surrounding the joint into the empty space. As the gases rush in to fill that space, they form tiny bubbles that burst, making the signature cracking sound. Contrary to popular belief, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. It's just a natural release of gas pressure. So next time you crack a knuckle, you're actually just popping some bubbles.